that that aspect of compassion for people, which Sanjay spoke about, Pradeep spoke about. I have a small experience of my own. I joined in 83. In 84, Mr. Chuk took me to London along with Dasgupta and Muttappa of TCS. We were there for about a week or 10 days. We were inspecting some fluidized bed boilers. After a week, when we were about to go back to Hyderabad, Mr. Chuk called me. He was going to another European nation next day. Mr. Chuk told me, Tulsi, I want you to stay for 2 more days, along with Dasgupta. Inspect a couple of more boilers. Obviously, my face became pale because he looked at and asked me, "What's wrong with you?" I said, "I don't have money." There was very limited foreign exchange given to us, and it was almost over for the hotel expenses. I didn't have money to stay for another 2 days. Mr. Chuk smiled, gave me, if I remember correctly, 200 British pounds, and then asked me, Tulsi, how many children do you have? I said, I have 2, a daughter and a son. Have you bought anything for them? I said, no. He gave me another 50 pounds. Take a gift to your children.
It cannot be secret because
Tell them it is from Uncle Chuk.
it cannot be held.
I was very touched.
All that will become a...
The story does not end here.
From when?
6 months later, in Bhadrachalam,
in between,
when I was walking on the colony, along with my daughter, Mr. Chuk was passing by in his car.
Why you do that?
He got down from the car, talked to my daughter in Hindi. पापा ने कुछ लाया आपके लिए ये नहीं. This is the concern Mr. Chuk had for people. People worked for Bhadrachalam because of leadership. It is not the money or position or anything. It is the concern for people, which Mr. Chuk personified. I'm happy. I worked with Bhadrachalam and retired from Bhadrachalam. Thank you.
And he used to handle it sometimes.
Thank you, I'm back.
Tulsi, that is why you are silver.
Junior manager.
That's why you are silver. You retired from here.
Yeah, Christine.
Gentlemen, I am back.
Mr. Chuk has joined back. So let us see if we can hear him.
Unmute, Christine. Christine, unmute.
Unmute yourself.
When he speaks, it is good.
Thank you very much, Mr. Tulsi. The platform is open for you all to speak. If you all can put your hand up, then probably Satya will unmute you all. And all others, please mute yourself because there is an echo. I think you can
Tulsi,
show
you have
your
got
hand.
two devices on. Tulsi, switch off one of your devices. You have two devices on. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Mrs. Premlata would like to speak. Ma'am, please unmute yourself. Yes, thank you.
Namaskar, Mr. Chug and Mrs. Chug. Wish you once again, Mr. Chug, wish you once again a very happy birthday. I have many fond memories of working with Mrs. Chug, and I can never forget your concern when my husband was unwell. Thank you so much for giving me a chance on your birthday to speak to you and to hear from you. And I cherish all the day, those years throughout my life. Thank you so much.
Our pulp mill is only because of NSR.
So nice of you. Thank you.
Whenever I think of the pulp mill, I think of
Very nice. Thank you, Mr. Chug.
When this hotel was built, Big Boss in 1983. First customer, ITC.
Christine, Lakshman Rao raised his hand. Lakshman Rao.
So please go ahead. You're on mute. You're unmute.
Madam, are you listening to my voice?
Yes, yes. Please go ahead.
I will conclude with 4 words.
Yes.
Light చూడండి గారు.
So you
Light
can't.
లేదు.
Yeah, we can't see you. Yeah.
Repundu? Okay. Are you able to see me?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Now we can see.
Now?
కెమెరా కిందకి దించండి కొద్దిగా.
So you tilt your
Yeah,
camera.
correct.
He
Okay, sir.
doesn't take selfies, I'm sure.
Okay. The first meeting with the union took as addressed to the trading leaders. He told 4 words. Missions can be brought. Human resources have to be developed. If the man and mission join the hands, the economy will be accelerated. The 4 words which is touched my heart. The first meeting is the man who gives about the productivity, the benefits of the productivity. He inculcated. The second one, he always encouraged the in-house leadership. Because of him only, still today, the in-house leadership is going on. The 2 things I would like to share in this. I have mentioned all my views in one poem, Andari Bandhuvaya, Bhadrachala Ramaya. In that song, I have mentioned all the qualities of Chuk which I dedicated to him on the eve of his birthday. So he likes Sanskrit. With a few Sanskrit words, I have to conclude my piece. Rajadi Rajaya Prasanya Sahine Namo Vai Vai Sravanaya Kormahe Chamekam Kamai Vaiyam Kameswaro Vai Sravano Dadatu Dirghayushman Bhava Achandratararkam Mansabhridrastu Rajamarge Rajadware Sarada Digvijayamastu Samasta Sanmangalan Bhavantu Etasamiya Suryanam Navanangrahanam Achanta Anukulya Pala Siddhirastu. Namaskaram, Chug garu. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to share my views with KL Chug. Thank you.
thank you, Panditji.
Thank you, sir.
He got used to hearing Sanskrit at home. His wife is a terror.
Yeah, we have Swarna will speak. Please go ahead, Swarna.
Many more happy returns of the day, Chuggaru. My mother also told me to wish you. On her behalf also, I am wishing you. Mrs. Saraswati. You have sown the seeds and the culture is still continuing, which you have practiced, and I hope the same culture continues in BPL. And many more happy returns of the day, and wish you a healthy and happy life ahead. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you.
So Swarna is daughter of Mr. G. Satyanarayana.
Not from political.
He lives in Kukatpalli.
Slight error.
I know. Now, who's speaking next?
Bhaskaran? I
Mr.
think you
Chung is
can
trying
show
to
your
talk. I
hand.
think no,
Yeah.
Madhavi is trying to. He's trying to
Yeah.
talk and then unmute.
Okay.
He's a very
Akshay Viram.
he's the one who contributed big on it. Which man?
Cool.
No, they haven't unmuted, so they cannot speak.
Go to
Satya,
anyone
please
else.
unmute Mr. Chug, Satya.
Satya, keep Mr. Chug unmuted.
No, please go ahead in case anyone wants to ask anything.
Yeah, she's saying to go ahead. Christine, go to next speaker.
Yeah. Bhaskaran, please go ahead, Bhaskaran.
Good evening, Mr. Chug. This is Bhaskar here, sir. Wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you remember me. I was working with Mr. Simon Matthews, and I've been part of about 20 to 30 board meetings where I had a close interaction with you every time, and I have learned a lot. And you are supposed to be I've always mentioned that I worship you as a hero. Hero worship I always do for you, and it is so it's an honor for me to talk to you today and wish you all the very best. And Madam, Mrs. Chug, I'm wishing you, both of you, all the very best and good health. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Oh,
Thank you, Chris.
Thank you, Bhaskaran.
Thank
Any
you.
more, please put your hand up, no? Then we'll be able to. Please raise your hands. Yeah.
She's in Melbourne.
Melbourne.
She's settled in.
George, would you
married and
like to say a few?
We want George to speak.
Yeah.
Where is Georgie boy?
Georgie boy.
Only Krishna can say that.
Mr. Chug
I
called
can
you.
also say that.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Baba, I can say that.
Yes, sir.
Is he there? Is George there? I don't think George is there.
No, I'm not finding him. I think it's not there.
Yeah. Christine, go ahead. George is not there.
Anybody
Baba,
else?
Is Shetty a member?
Vishy doesn't join.
He is a member, sir, but he doesn't join the digital conversations.
Oh, I see.
Kanchan Rao Garu can speak. He spent long years also.
I am the only one who spent place.
All, are you hearing me?
Yes,
Yeah,
Kanchan.
Yes, sir. Please.
This is Kanchana Rao from Electrical Department, worked from 1979 to 2004, 25 years. This is, I convey my regards and my best wishes to Mr. Chug and Mrs. Chug on his birthday. And we pray God for his long life to guide us. And I learned a lot. And BPL became my second motherland or Matrubhumi. I am from Krishna near Vijay. I'm belongs to Vijayawada, but I consider Bhadrachalam as my native place and as my Matrubhumi. That is because of you, Mr. Chug. Once again, I pray to God for all the blessings to you. Thank you, sir.
They tell me,
Just speak for 1 minute.
hello,
Yes, sir.
how is PSV Prasad?
Krishna.
I don't think anybody is in touch. Sanjay, any idea? I don't think anybody is in touch with Prasad.
I tried to
So you
contact
say,
him, but
sir?
he was unable to meet him. He used to be in Hyderabad, but I tried to contact him, but I could not do. He's not available on phone.
PSV.
Okay, when you meet him, give him my namaskar.
Yes, definitely I will try to contact him and convey your wishes to him, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir.
Since George is not here, maybe KLN can speak a few words because they worked together so much in forming the marketing department, the godown operations, the finishing house operations. That were a lot of things were to be done those days, including central excise. Maybe I would ask KLN to take only 1 minute, not more, on the formative years of BPL. Krishna, would you consider?
Yes, yes, please go ahead, sir.
Okay, Lakshmi, I'm back again. This is for the specific attention of Mr. Khelchuk. You mentioned in your inaugural speech about the formation of Bhadrachalam Silvers.
Okay.
I would like to clarify a few things. In 2004, when Bhadrachalam completed 25 years of commercial production, we people who had either resigned from Bhadrachalam paper boats and living in Hyderabad, we checked with BPL office if the company is considering having some kind of a celebration in which we could participate. Since the BPL, for certain strategic reasons, they were not going to have a formal celebration, we decided to have a get-together of all the people who had either retired or resigned, but who were still in touch with their colleagues, irrespective of the departments. And that is how the Bhadrachalam Silvers as a group, which we named ourselves, was formed in 2004, sometime in the month of August, which was predominantly led by all the marketing guys. It was George, Shankar, Setu, and Viren Khosla, and myself. So then thereafter, others joined and it caught on. So that is how the first meeting of the Silvers was held in the Secunderabad Club, and I think on the 5th of December 2004. RCS and you had come, MM Shukla had come, and that is how the whole Silver group started off. This is just as far as the formation group is concerned. And the Silver name came because we attached to Bhadrachalam Silvers, because it was the 25th celebration. I hope I have clarified it.
Thank you. Thank you, Lakshmi.
Excellent. Thank you, Lakshmi. Excellent, that is. That was really good. I remember I was also there in that meeting.
No, you all came much later. Initially, we were only about 5 people. In fact, the first meeting, after
Anyone?
I wasn't there.
Anybody else to speak?
The dinner we had.
That is in second of April. That is good come. That was only a get together, physical get together.
Yeah, I was talking about
the.
Lauren, would you like to say a few words?
Lauren must speak. Lauren must speak.
I can't see or hear you.
Mute
matter, we can hear
unmute
you.
yourself.
We can hear you.
Yeah.
So we are able to hear her, no?
Yeah. Put your video on, Law.
Hello?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Lauren, we can hear you.
Hear me?
Yeah.
Start
yeah.
video, Lauren.
Start your video.
Start your video.
Yeah,
Lauren.
there you go.
Hello?
Yes.
Am I there?
Yes, yes. Very much.
Audible.
Many happy returns of the day, Mr. Chuk. God bless you, good health, and all that your heart desires. That's what I wrote you, and I really mean those two words.
Why
I
did
don't
you
know if
hate-
you remember me, Mr. Chuk, but perhaps you could recall a sentence you told me once. when you saw me and my daughter.
Speak louder,
We should be on the front cover because both look almost like twins. So maybe that would ring a bell you. But I say I always observed you afar, and I had the occasion of taking invitation from you for one day.
Not clear.
And I must. Hello.
Lawrence, speak louder. We can't hear.
Can't hear you, Law. It's breaking.
The audio is bad.
Yeah.
So you want double quota?
No. You ring quite
Yeah. Yeah, now try to speak, Law.
There's a lot of people.
Yeah, yeah.
Am I loud enough?
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Chugh, for all the years that you've been with us, led our company. Surely grown strength to strength since brought up RTC from the Badhan and paper, sorry. And bless you all.